Hi everybody and welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to pair your Nothing headphones one with your Android phone. At first we need to go straight to the settings over here. Now we need to go straight to connect devices and tap pair the device. Now we have to look for the Bluetooth button, which is not here, not here, not here. The Bluetooth button is inside of our headphones and is located over here, as you can see. We have to hold this button for at least 2 seconds to enter the pairing mode. Here, as you can see, now our LED lights are blinking, and here we do have our headphones. We can click connect or tap on our headphones in available devices list. Now we can tap done. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye. Have a nice day.